In today's video, I'm going to go over how you can install and activate LifterLMS advanced plugins. So as you can see here, I'm in my LifterLMS.com account, and you can see the plugins I have access to here. And what I'll show you in this video is how you can install and activate these. So once you head to your account, you can head to the downloads area and click download on any one of these plugins you'd like to download. For example, the advanced quizzes or any of the other ones here. And then we can head to my site and we can click add new and upload on a plugin to upload that zip file into WordPress and activate the plugin. But one thing you might notice when you upload and activate the plugin is that it says it's not active because you haven't added your license key onto the site yet. And in this video, I'll show you how to do that. In the LifterLMS documentation for installing, updating add-ons with the LifterLMS helper, it says it requires the LifterLMS helper plugin to activate licenses on your site. And you can find the LifterLMS helper, as it says here, in your account's dashboard download area. And we can actually see that right here at the bottom, the LifterLMS helper. And once we install that, we will be able to see this My License Key button on the LifterLMS add-ons and more area. So if I head to my site now, I don't have the helper installed yet. So if I head to this add-ons and more area, we'll see that I don't have the option to put in my license key right there. But if I go ahead and head to my LifterLMS.com account here, I can download the free LifterLMS helper that comes with any plugins you purchase from Lifter. And I'll head back to my site. I'll go to Plugins, Add New, and then I'll upload that plugin and activate that. So we should see that blue button in one moment here. All right, so I'll upload that zip file, install now, and it's installed, so I'll activate that. And from here, we should be able to now go back to the LifterLMS add-ons and more area, and I should have that blue button option to add in my license key right here. Now I can head to my LifterLMS.com account, head to the Licenses tab at the top here, and copy and paste my license key here, and add new. That will let LifterLMS know that I have an active license for the plugin on my site. And a neat thing you can do once you do have the license key in here is you can install any add-ons you have access to directly onto your site. So once my key's in here, I can simply install private areas or Stripe or whatever I have access to straight onto my website there. But yeah, this has been Will Middleton from WP Course Guide on how you can install and activate advanced plugins with LifterLMS. Feel free to suggest any videos you want to see me do in the future down in the comments below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.